For today's lesson, we are going to be doing some leaf prints. And the first thing that we are going to need are the following. You will need some leaves. I have some at your tables for you. You're going to need a large paintbrush and some white paint. Those are going to be what we make the prints with. And if you remember from previous discussions, a print is like a stamp. It's when you are pressing to create something as opposed to brushing it on. So let's get started. You are also going to need your purple background paper and a piece of scrap paper. So I'm going to start by placing a leaf on the scrap paper, and I'm going to take the white paint and just cover my leaf. I want to try to make sure I get all the little lines and textures of the leaf covered, because one of the beauties of printmaking is that it really does a great job of showing lines and textures, which is what we want for a print, especially one that's all about leaves and fall. Okay, so I've painted it on. I'm going to set that aside. And now I'm going to take my leaf and I'm going to flip my paper over and just press with the leaf still on the paper. Really rub the leaf so that all those lines, making sure I get every single leaf, every line really pressed into the paper before I pick it up again. So there we go. And there is one print. So I'm going to do the same thing again. And sometimes it is easier to pick your leaf up to add the paint, although I think it's just as easy to paint it on the scrap paper. Do not set your leaf down on your table to paint. Okay, I'm going to set it down. There are different leaves. You are welcome to share your leaves as you work. So go ahead and do as many leaves as it takes to fill up your paper.